motherfucker?
No, I am texting my friend.
This is the same thing.
How's that videotaping?
Let me take a drink of my beer and I'll get back to you.
Okay, go ahead.
What were you talking about?
That you're gonna give me $1,000 tomorrow?
Dude.
No, I think you're gonna give me your Corvette.
I have a Corvette?
No, I guess it's a Camaro, actually. Camaro, DJ.
Oh, yeah, the Camaro. I forgot about that.
You were gonna give it to me. Yes.
You won't like it very much.
But you said you were gonna give it to me.
1 second. That was a big drink.
I remember.
Oh, yeah, the Camaro. It's got 20s on it. And it's not got any exhaust. Why are you videotaping me?
I'm videotaping you. I am looking stuff up on my phone. Dude. Why did I videotape you? I'm not that mean.
Well, I'm going to try that.
I see that.
What is that called? Paladin up there?
Yeah.
Jackie Pants. Read that shit up there.
This is Paladin. Look, you're thinking of World of Warcraft.
When did your dad get a charger?
Oh my lord. Really? He got it like 3 days ago. You have the attention span of a goldfish when you're drunk. You know that, right? But it's funny.
What?
Dude.
I haven't sold the rims and tires yet?
No. Hey, remember, let's get up in the morning. We have to be down at your mom's house with a garage sale, remember?
That was last weekend.
No, that's this weekend. Yeah. Yes, it is, actually.
Huh?
It's pretty funny. So, what time you... What's bright? That's the lights back there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
You should go for a walk.
No.
Why?
Because I don't want to walk. I don't want to go to jail.
You should need another beer.
No. Are you gonna fall asleep?
Huh?
Okay, you should go wake up Zach. See what he says to you. See what he did.
No!
Yeah.
He's gotta be in there.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't work tomorrow.
We took a beer.
Okay.
What were you talking about?
You were gonna go prank Zach?
Prank?
Yep.
Let's prank. Oh.
Go play joke on Zach when he's sleeping? Go like put his hand in water or something?
Dude, I'm seeing like 4 little stars in it.
There's only 2, DJ.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
There's like 4 of them out right now. There's like a V8, a V6, and a 4 car, and a 4.3.
Really?
Tony, go give me another Bud Light.
That's Budweiser. And we don't have no Bud Light.
Give me Budweiser.
We don't have no more.
You put no iron.
You drank the bar dry, DJ.
That fucking sucks.
And now they're suing you.
Shut up. Give me another beer.
There is no more. You drank it dry, remember?
That sucks.
I hope you
I
lay on...
forgot it says Budweiser.
No, it says Coke. You've been drinking soda this whole time, DJ.
Pretty fucking good soda.
What station are we listening to?
100.4557.
What?
100.557.
No. 98 KUPD.
Fuck that motherfucker. Dude, what happened to that lady that was driving by?
She wasn't driving, she was walking. She's walking her dog. Remember?
Yeah, she has to look. And the other dog. We need another beer.
No, we don't have any more.
I
I am not lying to you, DJ. That was the last one in there. No, I don't want you to puke. Hey, don't fall asleep.
What?
If you fall asleep, we're just gonna leave you there.
Oh, fucking right on my toe. Oh my god.
What just happened?
That's the first time I ever fell on my face. Shut up. I'm not doing anything. What's your mind scratch?
No.
What's my hair? It's burning. Oh my god. Tony, save me. I'm sorry down the fucking driveway.
That sucks.
Look.
What?
Move, God. Fucking fell right off, man. What the fuck?
How'd you get down there? Yeah, drink that beer. Soda. Use that as your walker, DJ. Use that as your walker. Hey, slow down, slow. Really?
Give me another beer.
There's no more.
What the fuck? Are you still recording me?
I'm not recording. Why do you think I'm recording? I'm texting. What?
Okay. I'm gonna roll down the driveway, okay?
Okay, have fun with that. Put your feet up. Keep going, you're not down yet. Do it again.
No.
Yeah.
Roll back up the driveway.
I can't.
Give me another beer.
There's no more. Right. You're getting that. You gonna roll down it again? Go down it again.
You take a piss.
I believe you know the toilet. Oh my god, he fell! Look at this, he fell! This is so funny.
You motherfucker. Want to see my window?
No. Oh my god. You know it's still going on YouTube, right?
Shut up, fool. Can't fucking go on my fucking YouTube. Stop fucking videotaping.
I'm not videotaping it. I don't know why that light's on.
Shut up, motherfucker.
It's a flashlight.
Want to see my window?
No.
Ow.
That would be concrete.
Ow.
That'd be...
away.
Have you tried for butt?
Oh, you sleep right here.
Do you need anything?
Huh?
Do you need anything?
Yeah, some fucking... Arms are gotten...
Hey, wake up.
Shut up, motherfucker.
I'll go get Zach to come get you.
I'll get up. I'm good.
Oh my god, it's so funny.
Give me another beer.
I don't have any more.
Fuck you then.
Oh, no. I don't have to eat it again.
Huh?
Hey.
What the hell happened to the chair?
He threw it at me.
Mine did. I don't want to throw that just...
Because. It's time for bed.
I need a bed.
They don't have any more.
What the fuck you?
There's no video.
Where's your picture?
There's no picture. I didn't take any. I'm texting my friend.
That fucking light is bright. You want to see my nipple?
Wow, that looks cool. Not that. Where are you going? There's nothing on. There's nothing on. You're too funny. Okay.